Good morning mga friend. Almusal na muna tayo. Sarap ng kape. Yung ating almusal, biko, malagkit na rice. Binigay sa ating kahapon. Masarap talaga ito kapag merong kasamang mainit na kape. Sarap. Ina, how about your New Year? Okay? Ina?
Yeah?
Your New Year, okay?
Here?
Yeah, New Year.
Phoenix.
Okay?
Yes.
Sleeping only?
Me?
Not going mall,
No, I don't like.
not going Burj Khalifa, showing showing what's that? Fireworks?
Only almost like me.
Only dancing?
Yes.
Now have a party also?
Huh?
Party? Have party in your room?
No, no, no.
Celebrating New Year? But your country, New Year, same ha? January 1?
Different. Papa. Different.
January 1 also? Different?
Yes.
I think same. Same in Jan? Diwali like that? Diwali is New Year? No. Ako. Malamig na mga friend sa labas. Malamig na maglakad. Naglalakad pa tayo galing dun sa bus stop sa binababaan ko. Sarap. Pumasok ka na naman. Pumasok ka na naman. Muneng. Huwag kang aakyat. Papaluin kita. Diyan ka lang sa baba. So okay mga friend. Hanggang dito na lang. Thanks for watching. Magwo-work na naman tayo. Bye-bye.